Hi, I'm Alan, Product Manager at Logitech. Did you know that over 90% of communication effectiveness comes from nonverbal cues, and that video calls improve connection and help keep participants more engaged? This is why video is a much richer communication experience than simply being on a phone. I'd like to speak for a few minutes about Logitech Group, a combination speakerphone and high-definition video camera for video conferencing that's ready for meetings with up to 14 people, or up to 20 with the optional expansion microphones. Group Camera features motorized pan and tilt, a 10x zoom, and up to 1080p full HD resolution. This allows you to move the camera around to focus on the whole conference table, the whiteboard, flip chart, or whatever else those on the far end of the call need to see. Some conferencing applications even support far-end camera control. The camera features a Logitech-designed glass lens with a 90-degree field of view. While good video quality is important, good audio is critical. The Group speakerphone has 4 microphones, a high-quality DSP for noise and echo reduction, and we even cast the bass out of metal to increase mass and minimize the transfer of unwanted sounds to the microphones. The microphone pickup on the speakerphone is designed for up to 20 feet, but if you'd like to place Group in a larger room, adding the expansion mics will increase the microphone pickup range to about 28 feet. Logitech Group provides a great video conferencing experience with almost any video conferencing application, whether Skype for Business, Zoom, Hangouts, BlueJeans, Video, BroadSoft, LifeSize Cloud, and more. And because Group works with all these applications, your teams can join calls from their desk, their phones, another conference room. With Logitech Group, your team's productivity is sure to increase. For easy setup, high-quality audio and video, and Group works with just about any video conferencing application, Logitech Group is the ideal solution for medium to large conference rooms. And for more information, please visit logitech.com/group.